Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. So I'm going to go up under Review to start out. In the upper left corner, we'll start at the bottom of the list here. Exit, of course, is going to close the program. Unregister. So with Bluebeam Revu, you have the ability to install a single license on more than one computer. So you could have it on your laptop and your desktop at the office. The trick there is that you're going to have to unregister on one of them before you can register on the other. You can only have it active on one, so you have to remember to unregister and register in order to share that license with those machines. I hope you took some notes. I hope you enjoyed the detailed introduction of parts of the interface in Bluebeam Revu. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.